Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing recipe for Arvi Gosht. It's classic and I think we all have been eating since our childhood, and every household have their own way of making it. So I thought, why don't I share my family recipe with you guys today? So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First, in a cooking pot, I'm heating up some oil. Now you guys already know that I use very less oil, so you can adjust your oil according to your family need, adding sliced onion and cooking until it starts to get golden, then adding some ginger and garlic. Saute for 30 seconds or for a minute. Now it's time to add our seasoning, but I was scared that my onions were getting a little extra brown, so I add a little bit of yogurt, and then I'm adding salt, coriander powder, red chili powder and turmeric powder. Mix all the masalas and cook it for a couple of minutes, and then add rest of your yogurt. And now I'll add water, enough water which will need to cook our masala. I prefer to blend my masala, especially which the gravy is little runny. So you can use emulsion blender or transfer all these ingredients into a blender jug and blend it. Then cover, simmer and cook until masala is completely cooked through, oil separates and comes on top. And this also indicates that you did a good bunai. Now it's time to add meat. Add meat and you switch your flame to medium to high setting and cook until meat changes its color. Now cover and start cooking on a low setting until your meat is almost half done. I haven't added any water at this point because meat will release its water. So all the liquid you see here, it comes out of meat. Now I'm adding arvi, which is also called taro root. So I just peeled the arvi, and then I put the slits in few, and which were bigger in sizes. I just cut them in half, and then just make sure you peel the arvi first, and then you wash it, and then you add in your gravy. Then just add enough water which we need to cook our arvi and meat, and cook covered until meat and arvi both are tender, and you can adjust the water. Now you can just dish out your Arvi Gosht, top it off with some chopped cilantro and garam masala, and serve it with a side of kachumar. This kachumar salad is particularly made with Arvi Gosht in my house. It's chopped onions mixed with some chopped cilantro and green chilies, and it's made with fresh lemon juice. So onion and lemon juice will help you digest that arvi, and serve it with naan or chapati roti. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.